Hey guys, welcome. Linux Mint 22 Cinnamon. Today I'm going to talk about visual aids as far as when you're clicking with your mouse. Red circle for a left, green circle for a right click, and middle click is purple. If you're not too sure what a middle click is, I'll discuss that briefly also. I can create tabs using a middle click in my Firefox web browser with that. So visual aids, and anytime I click you'll see circles because I have that tool turned on. I can also turn that off in about a couple seconds, and I'll show you how to change the colors also. Filming in 1080, welcome. Subscription key in the corner. Alright, so open up your System Settings Control Center and go to Extensions. What I'm using is Mouse Clicks Effects. You can find that in Downloads either by doing a search or scrolling. Once you find this, it should have an arrow like that. Click it so it becomes a check mark. Once you click on it, you can hit plus and it becomes active. Alright, I'll talk about the settings for it in a second. In here, I will open up this thing here, and I will basically discuss what a middle click is by using a visual effect. A lot of your computer mice, and here's probably a good example of one. My mouse that I'm using currently is a 3S. This is a 2S, but the scroll wheel here. A lot of your inexpensive mice also have. Not only can you do scrolling, but if you push down on the button, I'll get it close to the microphone and let you hear it. Do you see that purple circle? I'll try to put it over here while I'm clicking. Alright, that's a middle click. So again, a lot of inexpensive mice also have that capability. A lot of people are not aware of it. And you can do a lot of things with middle clicks. One of them is in this Firefox by creating tabs. Now when I do this, it'll be a purple circle. Okay? So I just click there to create extra tabs, but more importantly, I'm going to close them also with middle clicks. And now I'm going to open up blank tabs by pointing at that line and just doing this across the screen. And all I have to do is I can be anywhere in these squares to close these, and I can do them out of order. And guess what happens when I close the last one? The browser closes. So that's a middle click button. So let's talk about the configuration for this tool that is called an extension, called Mouse Click Effects by ANAXIMENO. That's the name of the developer. What I'm going to do is block the calendar so it's not so distracting and click the gearbox. So starting at the back tab called Style, we have the left click. Again, I'm using a standard computer mouse. The left click is currently assigned to red. The middle click is assigned to, well, purple or whatever color that is. And so you can pick your different palettes. This will be the right. So left click, right click, middle click. And you can just leave the rest of these at default. Now the animation mode, blink is standard. And this will be bounce. Sometimes my recording software does not pick this up because it's too quick. That's why I'm clicking on it multiple times. And this one's called retract. Hopefully it picked up that on the visual. And this is expand. Alright, this is the one I like. Animation time, leave that alone, leave that alone. But if you want to turn off some of these effects, I'm going to turn off animate middle click by turning that off. Now when I open up the browser, I'm just going to middle click up here. You will not see the circle. See, this will be single click, right click, and then no middle click. So middle click, middle click, middle click. Close, close, close with middle click, middle click, middle click. All right. Turning them on and off. So if you want to get more energetic and install extra mouse cursors like the one I'm using, I have videos for that. They're fairly simple to install as long as you know how to do the procedure. So the cursors that I currently have displayed are in two locations. One is in period icons or dot icons, and the other one is in USR share icons. Your standard pointer, I believe, is this one. Okay, but if you want colorized ones, I have plenty of not only videos on my YouTube site, 476, but read my mission statement and you'll also see some links in here. This is a non-profit website. It's got 969 mouse cursors. Thank you for watching.